This is Dr. Sheher Bano, and this video for all the doctors is very important because I'm sharing something which is very unique and very close to my heart, which is face sculpting. For the very first time in my career, so me and Fahad Mirza, we have planned our hands-on workshop training, which I have shared the video already, will be upcoming in few days, or maybe in a month's time we will be sharing that date too. Why this is important for me? Because many colleagues have been requesting me to do the hands-on training, even in Pakistan and abroad. And I feel that, through all the journey that we have gone through, learnings from basic skills, art of injecting, art of consultation, why the product is important while injecting, not being sponsored by any company, and giving our own pearls that we inject in our private clinics, showing that how we consult patients, the purity of the knowledge, the pearls that we have been doing, and the word of mouth is very, very strong in our practices, which again, definitely I'd like to share with you guys, because you will benefit from these pearls all your life. इवन जिन उस्तादों से हमने सीखा है या फिर जो इंटरनेशनल मीटिंग्स में जाके सीखा है, एंड आई ट्रैवल अ लॉट, तो यही सीखा है कि देयर इज नो रूल फॉर एस्थेटिक, देयर आर जस्ट गाइडलाइंस. So if you are thinking the Google or maybe some workshop has been telling me that inject 0.2, 0.5 following MD codes, or this is the golden ratio of 5, no, break the rules. Don't follow these rules. These are the guidelines. So I will open up your mind to think like an artist and like an injector. And I really wish you guys that you should be taking your practice to the next level for your own benefit, and definitely for the future of aesthetics in our country, for our patients, and overall. So I'm quite emotional while doing this video, and I'm sure that I will give my maximum as much as I can. And very important thing, what frustrates me when I see all these meetings telling you this is advanced, this is basic, let me clear one thought. Nothing is basic when you are touching the human face. Everything is advanced. Human face is advanced. You are actually working on the prepared canvas. So your injection or your technique should be the next level, not something that you are just practicing or training yourself by the way on your patients. So good luck, all of you. Looking forward to hear back from you guys. Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.